I want to welcome you back to this class, and today we'll be looking at how to get factors of all natural numbers as well as algebraic terms. Factors of natural numbers as well as algebraic terms. Now, what do we mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers are numbers that are called counting numbers, or you can say numbers that have positive integers. When you are asked to count a number, you start from 1 and you say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth to infinity. Those numbers are referred to as natural numbers. Then we also look at factors of algebraic terms. And what do we mean by algebraic terms? When you are talking about algebraic terms, you are talking about terms that has both numbers and letters or symbol. For example, if you have this 5x is an algebraic term because it has numbers and also it has letter. Another way of putting this is that algebraic term has variable. This one is called variable. And also it has coefficient. So the coefficient of x is 5. You can get any other number like 10a plus b. So this is the coefficient of a. The coefficient of a here is 10. The coefficient of b here is 1. So this kind of terms are referred to as algebraic terms. So now we want to now find what are the factors of natural numbers as well as algebraic terms. Now we should also note what do we call factors. In a very simple way, when you say factors, factors are those numbers that can go in a particular number without remainder. For example, if you have 2 and 5, these 2 and 5 are the factor of 10 because 2 and 5 can go in 10 without any remainder. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Therefore, these ones are factors of 10. Now, we want to see these ones. We want to find all the factors of the following. This one is a natural number. The second one is also a natural number. The third one is a natural number. The fourth one is algebraic term. The fifth one is also algebraic term. By the time we are through with this, you'll be able to see how we can easily find factors of these ones. So let's start from the first one. Now, for the first one, we have 16. If you are to get factor of all factors of 16, you start from 1. 1 times 16 is 16. Then the next number is 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Then 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So you can easily now put down all these ones, all this one as the factor of 16. We have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So all these are factors of 16. Why do we refer them as factors? Because you can divide 16 by all of them without any remainder. So this is how to find the factor of 16. Now we want to look at the second one, and this is 40. You start from 1. 40 is the same thing as 1 times 40. Then 2, the same thing as 2 times 20. 3 is not part. Then 4 times 10. Then 5 times 8. So we now write all the factors down. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. So all these are factors of 40. So we do the same thing for the third one. For the third one, which is 27. 27 is the same thing as 1 times 27. 3 is not part of it. 3 times 9. And that's all. That's all. So the factors are 1, 3, 9, 27. So all these numbers are referred to as factors of 27. Now, we now want to look at the fourth one. For the fourth one, this is 8y. We use the same principle. Very simple. Now, you imagine as if it's 8, you are getting the factor alone. So you start with 1 as usual. 1 times 8, then you put your y. Then you have 2. 2 times 4, you put your y. Which other one? Okay. Now you are through with this. Then you start with y. Y times 8 is 8y. Then 2y. 2y times 4 is 8y. So you copy all this one down as the factors of 8y. So you say y is equal to 1, 2, y, 2y. Then you have 4, 8, 4y, 8y. So all these are factors of 8y. Now we want to do the last one, which is number 5. So for the last one, which is number 5, don't forget that this is algebraic term. So you start with 10. You imagine that you are getting the factor of 10 first. 1 times 10. Then you put your AB. So after 1, you have 2. 2 times 5. You put your AB. Then you now start again with A. Just this A. A times 10B. You know, A times 10B is the same thing as 10AB. Okay. Then 2A times 5B. 2A times 5B is 10AB. Okay. You are through with A. Then you continue with B. So B times 10A. Then 2B times 5A. So all these are factors of 10AB. So you write them out. So factors, they are 1, 2, A, 2A, B, then 2B, 5A, 10A, 5B, then you have 10B, then 5AB, and 10AB. So all these are factors of 10AB. So this is where we are stopping for today. Until I come across your way again. Enjoy yourself.